Namaskar. Again, welcome you to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. In this video, we shall be talking about romantic imagination and national feelings. The development of nationalism did not come through wars and territorial expansion only. Culture played an important role in creating the idea of nation. Art and poetry, stories and music helped express and shape nationalist feelings. Romanticism, a cultural movement which sought to develop a particular form of nationalist sentiments. Romantic artists and poets generally criticized glorification of reason and science and focused on emotions, institutions, and mystical feelings. Their effort was to create a collective, shared feeling of heritage, collective heritage, a common cultural past as a basis of nation. Romantics such as German philosopher John Gottfried Herder claimed that true German culture was to be discovered among the common people, das Volk. It was through folk songs, folk poetry, and folk dances that the true spirit of the nation, Volksgeist, was popularized. So, collecting and recording these forms of folk culture was essential to the project of nation building. Emphasis on vernacular language and local folklore was not just to recover an ancient national spirit, but also to carry the modern nationalist message to large audiences. Message to large audiences who were mostly illiterate. This was especially so in case of Poland, which had been partitioned at the end of the 18th century by the great powers Persia and Austria. Even though Poland no longer existed as an independent territory, national feelings were kept alive through music and language. Karol Kurpinski, for example, celebrated the national struggle through his operas and music, turning folk dances like the Polonaise and Mazurka into nationalist symbols. Language too played an important role. After Russian occupation, the Polish language was forced out of schools and Russian language was imposed everywhere. In 1831, an armed rebellion against Russian rule took place, which was ultimately crushed. Following this, many members of the clergy in Poland began to use language as a weapon of national resistance. Polish was used for church gatherings and all religious instructions. As a result, a large number of priests and bishops were put in jail or sent to Siberia by the Russian authorities as punishment for their refusal to preach in Russian. The use of police came to be seen as a symbol of the struggle against the Russian dominance. So, thus we can conclude that Romanticism, the folk dances, the folk songs, even the language, played a very important role. We shall be discussing about the hunger, the hardship, and the popular revolt in the next video. This video we end up here. Thanks for joining.